Hello guys, I just got back from the lawnmower junkyard. Got this frame. You guys said I could have the transmission, but I wanted the rest of the body. I can use parts off of it. So, yeah. I thought it was a GT 5000, it's a 3000, but the motor's locked up. Deck is locked up. We're gonna see what's up with this. If worse comes to worse, because I don't feel like tearing into it like this. If worse comes to worse, I'll pull everything out of here and put it all over here. And we'll go from that. But we have to see if we can get this thing broke free enough to where it'll run. And if it even is worth messing with. The mower deck is shot, but you know, overall, I'm looking at it and I can see there's well over $100 worth of parts there. Tires were all flat. These tires were holding there though. There's a nail in the left rear. These tires up here are dry rotted, but they have the nubbies on them, so they're fairly new. So these tires I may use on the hydro. I'll just tube them. We'll go from there because they're pretty nice. So I got all the deck brackets and everything I need to put a 48-inch on the hydro if this thing doesn't pan out. But we'll go from there and see what's what. I also got some parts. Got the metal grill. It's dented a little bit, needs some work. Like I said, it's dented, needs some work. Here's the bracket for it. Got another dash. All because I wanted the throttle. And that button's not in terrible shape and it's red. These are the fenders off that manual. And it's a 2000. So that's a year. So it was made June 23rd of 2000. These are all wheel brackets that I got off of a mower deck. Because the 48-inch I got in the back is off a Husqvarna riding lawnmower. And as you can see, I'm starting to move stuff into the scrap pile. That 54 is junk. It's actually for a garden tractor, but it's junk. Too much stuff wrong with it, and it's flaking away. MTD decks, those never sell. A bunch of junk engines, stuff like that. So, my plan is to use that deck right there, that gray one. And we'll go from there. That is the deck for the 93, the original mower deck for the 93. I don't know, I may see if it's got the, if the blades are still available, and I may just, if I decide to sell the 93, I may just put the original deck back on it. I don't know yet. I haven't figured out my whole thing, what I'm doing. But yeah, because I'm kind of on the fence about selling that 93 there. But like I said in another video, if I sell it, I'm taking off my ag tires, my wheel weights. I'm taking off my little brackets in the front for the dozer, or not dozer, but the bucket, because I'm keeping the bucket. Because I use it from time to time. But anyway, I've got to break down that frame here, pull off all the parts I want to keep off of it, and it will end up in the scrap. That transmission's no good. So here's the hydro footrests off of that hydro. They're gonna go right into the scrap, because I got those footrests anyway if I absolutely have to have the diagram. Hoods that are all broken, dented, those are going. Here's the original hood to the 93 underneath the lean-to. It's got drilled holes in it. Somebody mounted a rear view mirror and they messed up a bunch of stuff. But yeah. The stove, it's from somebody's side of the road. So, you know, I do stuff like that. I pick up scrap if people put it out by the road, or if I see it on Facebook and it's local, I'll go pick that up. So my main goal is to take those out or off, put them in the back somewhere, and then I'll load up some scrap. And my main goal is Sunday morning taking a load in, because I don't want to do it any other day of the week, because the guy that works at the pile is out there, and he's very picky. The original not original footrest, but the original fenders to the hydro, they're going. I'm just going to cut out the around the model tag, and I'm going to keep that section of the fenders. The rest of them are going. That fenders are going. You know, I can't keep everything. So that engine is garbage because somebody forgot to put it away. I'm not saying who. I do believe it was me. So it'll be going. There's another engine over here that's locked up solid. It's going. So, you know. Now, certain scrap yards don't allow it, but my local scrap yard accepts metal cans. Why is aluminum can over here? Those belong over in the aluminum section. But yeah, so we take all of our food cans, our cat food cans, if they're 9 lives, because those are steel cans, they go into one of something like, I'll dump them into the stove there or something like that, and they'll take them like that. So that's how our scrap yards work around here. Oh, there's a steering wheel I can use. That's actually pretty decent shape. I'll be putting that on that GT. This is the steering wheel, or not steering wheel, but the engine that's junk. It's locked up tight. There was a push mower over there. I put it over in the scrap. There's just multiple stuff I'm going to be doing. Yeah, I accidentally hit that a couple weeks ago when I was moving stuff around. Yeah, this one's not busted at all. So I forgot I even had my buddy pull it out when I was scrapping stuff. So this steering wheel is in good shape. It'll go on the GT, and it will go from there. So One thing. I did have somebody try to contact me and want to buy a engine and a bunch of other stuff, but if they don't come through soon, and if that engine is a dud, I do have the original engine from the hydro, so we can use that if that engine is a dud. But that's not going to be for a while. The thing here is I'm gonna get that situated, find out what's what. If I can do it, then that's good. I can swap everything over. And it will sit until I can get to it. Now, I'm going to be using that 48-inch deck on the hydro. I can always go back to the guy and get another deck. He has one. He has the same exact deck as this sitting. So, you know, if I have to, I can just go get another deck. So, anyway, guys, that's all from this video. I'm gonna get my butt into gear and unload some of this stuff, and we'll go from there. Alright, guys. See you on the next one.